Welcome back. So today we're gonna give your data a voice. So if you have ever struggled with labels overlapping or looking clustered, this video is for you. We're going to master the labeling tab in ArcGIS Pro. So what we'll be doing, we'll learn how to turn on labels for any layer, select the right attribute field for labeling, and most importantly, change fonts, colors, and sizes. So at the end of this video, we should be able to capture our audience with our labels. So let's get right straight to it. So here I have an African shape file and I'll be labeling it. So the step is simple. If we just right click on the layer, we can activate the label, sorry, just by clicking this. So it loads up our labels, and if while we're done, it doesn't give us any results, we can then go to label properties. So over here, we get to see what we're actually showing. So for first, because I have nothing shown here, okay, it's come up. So once I've come here, I'll be able to see the labels I have. The labels, I could decide to change it from probably name. If I want to change that, I'll clear this, give it a new one, apply. Then it displays the parameter of the various location. Pardon my lagging. So the same applies for all around. So I'll just keep that back to name. Okay, so now we have that back. So one of the things, if you notice, most of our labels are duplicated. I'd like to fix that up. So to get that, I'll just go to position. Then I should have conflict. Yes, conflict resolution here. Click that. Then I have remove duplicate labels. Remove all. And now what we should see is each shapefile with a unique label instead of having multiple. To that aside, let's quickly change our fonts, our text style, and as the case may be. So I'm interested in changing my font name, probably Time News Roman. I want my font to be bold. So you could just play around with this. So let's try doing the same from our own end. Okay, bold is too loud. So let's reduce that. So probably my color, I may decide to change it to something unique. So depending on whatever you're interested in picking out, my layer case, I can change it to uppercase. I can keep it back to normal or lower. So depending on, so I'll keep that. So we have halo. So what halo basically does is give us a shade. Sorry, I've screwed up too much. So it just gives us a shade around what we already have existing. Just like example, like what we have right now. So that shade is there. I can decide to change the shade color, probably black. That's too loud. Let's reduce. Let's give it back to white. So as of now, we've been able to actually show you the different works we have done, how to bring in our label, how to change our label, and in scenarios where we have multiple labels, we can actually remove the duplicate labels. So as always, what's your favorite shapefile that you've worked with, and how are you going to use what you've learned in your future tasks? If this tutorial helped you, please give this video a like and be sure to subscribe to GeoKloud Academy for more tips on creating impressive and effective maps. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy mapping.